Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove your headphone SONOS ACE from the application. So these headphones haven't this button in the application and you have a few options how to do it. The first one, you can turn off your headphones and as you can see you just remove it from the application. Or you can two more options. Is to go to settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. Then if you click on this icon, we can it should connecting, so give me a second please. Yeah, and you can disconnect your headphones or unpair it. It's up to you. I don't want to unpair it right now, so I'm just disconnect, and the same, there is no these headphones in the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.